Right, I don't know how this is going to work out. Let's go for it, shall we? Rubber gloves. Ooh, nurse, rubber gloves. Rubber, you know, thing. So, I have my brand new tube of shoe glue. It says it's fast and it's permanent and great for rubber and vinyl and anal intercourse and all sorts of wonderful things. And if you use this for anal intercourse, I think you're going to be stuck with it. Very much. Especially if I can't get into it. Ah, there we go. Oh, now this one doesn't give you a little nozzle. I'm not sure, but I think I might like a little nozzle to squirt down there. Don't go away, I'll be back. Okay, so I've got myself a little plastic nozzle, of which I have many. Yes, I'm called Plastic Nozzle Man. That sounds weird. Let's punch a hole in there. And let's... Now, do understand, I have no clue if this is going to fucking work. I'm just going for it. So, I'm going to lift up one side and I'm going to squirt shit in there. I may end up using the whole tube, who knows? You're just going to have to sit and watch, sorry. And you see what you see and you don't see what you don't see. Woo! No, 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 no. I want you back in there. I may end up trimming this again, who knows, huh? Maybe I should have put a key on this. Hey, you learn by your mistakes. Well, you learn by my mistakes. This is good. See, this seems to be going pretty well. Now, I know you can't see it and you're relying on me to tell you the truth. How dumb are you? Alright, let's so we can fold the end over. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's lots of goo going in here. Ooh, ah, bah, bah, bah. Now, this could take days to set, but that's okay. I'm doing other shit, so I'm just gonna leave this to set as it sets or doesn't set, or who knows, huh? Yeah, I'm sorry if you're not getting much of a good view, but it's more important I do shit than you seeing it. What? You mean we don't love you? I don't love you as much as you love me? Fuck me, if you love me, you're really sad. Tell you what, there's a lot of shoe glue, and it's very hard to get out of this tube. So I'm having to fold it over and squeeze it a bit. Now I'm trying to get it down low first, then I'm going to bring the level up higher if I have enough shoe glue left. If I don't, I won't. Does that make sense? Does to me. That'd be a fucking first, wouldn't it? Gary making sense. Alright, so now I know I've got down low, so I'm now... Why am I telling you what I'm doing when you can see what I'm doing? I'm now filling it and turning it like you can't see that, and oh yeah, this is, I tell you what guys, if this sets as I hope it will, this could be fucking great. Well, I've got a whole tube, I might as well use it, huh? Here we go. I don't know what kind of view you're getting, boys, but it's good to me. Oh, tell you what, puts a bit of a strain on the old hand muscles. Now, once I've gone round, then I will run my finger round, my gloved finger, to try and make a smoothish finish. How are we doing, Gary? I don't know. I'm too stupid. Gosh, this is a lot of shit. Wow. All right, let me stop it there. Now let me run my finger around. While it's still moist and supple. Okay, now that, as Jack Nicholson would say, is as good as it gets. Whew, still got some sugar glue left. Now, hopefully you're still looking at that. I may well trim again. I'm going to leave this now for days. I mean days. To set whilst I do other shit. At the moment it looks pretty fucking good. When it dries, who knows, it may not look so good. Do I need to put in a bit more there? Gary, nobody's gonna see it, you dick. Yeah, I know, but it just looks like it needs some more. Can't help myself. It just looks like it needs filling more. Gotta be careful because it's going to start going off. Leave it. I had to tell myself. Sorry about that. I had to tell myself off. Just leave it, let it set, and then I'll trim it up. In days to come. I was going to say days of future past. You know, the muddy blues. Pull that up. Let it settle down. Yeah, I think once I give that a trim, that'll be good. Do I need to pull that over in some way? Oh dear, I can't stop, can I? I just want to pull it over. Well, I don't want to pull it up too much. Stop it, leave it alone. All right, that's enough. We will leave this now to set for days. 4 days? Probably 4 days is correct. Yes, sirree, Bobby. Ah, yeah. All right. Back in a few seconds for you. Well, this is a very nerve-wracking moment. Let me see if can I get you in closer. Give me a second here. Let me try and play with you. As the actress said to the bishop, no, no, no. Come on. I'm going to have to start this again, I think. Oh no, you guys can be tolerant, can't you? Because you're smart. The area I'm pointing at is the, I guess you'd call it the VIN number. Now it's been painted over. And I need to make it clear for the, I guess you call it the DMV. Yeah, Department of Motor Vehicles, yeah. So it means I've got to remove the paint. Oof. I'm going to do this with cellulose thinners and cotton buds. Oh boy. This is not a job I want to do. But it's going to take a while. I bet I'm going to get through a lot of cotton buds. Oh shit. I'm sorry folks, the paint's not coming off. Crap. I'm using cellulose thinners in what appears to be a vain attempt to get the paint off. Crap. It's not coming off. The paint is not coming off. Alright, the only thing I can think of is to use paint stripper. Oh fuck. That is not what I want to do. What else could I use? I don't know. But paint thinners, cellulose thinners, is not having any effect on it. Crap. I really don't want to use paint aircraft remover on it, but I'm wondering what my choices are. Crap. I don't want to sand it because that will take up too much metal. Let me try a couple of other compounds. I got some acetone, got some brake cleaner. Don't think that'll work. Or I could be back to aircraft remover, and then I may have to, tidy it up afterwards. I'll be back. Okay, so I tried cellulose thinners, I tried brake cleaner. Granted, I didn't try acetone. This is aircraft remover. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've managed to clean it a bit. I've got to clean up the rest, so I'm going to have to use my pick to clean out the letters. I don't know why you'd be interested, but it is 233609DN. And so now what I need to do is clean out the paint in these letters. Then I'm going to lacquer this. But got a bit of cleaning to do first, guys. As you can see, it's a bit yucky poo-doos. It won't take long, but it's going to be pay attention to detail, Gary. Not that I ever do that. So yeah, I mean, I did ask the paint shop to not paint this, but oh well. Alright, this is going to take me a little while to clean this up and then lacquer it. I'll be back. Yeah. Yeah, okay, there it is, done. Just a little bit of cleanup to do on the left there, and that's it. I'm not going to go crazy on this. I want it to look kind of rustic. I also want the DMV people to go, wow, yeah, that's original. Oh, I got those strobe lights. Sorry. Try that. Is that better? There you go.